Introducing the 1963 Chevrolet C10, a timeless classic priced at $9,500. While its exact location remains unspecified, this well-preserved truck captures the essence of American automotive history. With only 2 owners in its past, this C10 boasts a rust-free body and undercarriage, a rare find for a vehicle of its age. It is equipped with a dependable straight-six engine paired with a rebuilt 3-on-the-tree manual transmission, offering an authentic vintage driving experience. Recent updates, including a new fuel pump, windshield, tires, and brakes, ensure it is ready to hit the road. This C10 is an ideal choice for collectors and enthusiasts seeking a blend of functionality and historical charm. Step into the golden era of American pickups with the 1950 Chevrolet 3100 short bed truck, offered at $16,000 and located in Perris, California. This classic beauty combines its vintage appeal with robust performance, thanks to a 350 volts 8 engine and 4-speed manual transmission. The truck is enhanced by a nearly new wooden bed, well-maintained paint, and a clean title that simplifies the ownership process. Though it may require minor cleaning and a tune-up, this 3100 is a fantastic candidate for restoration or weekend cruising. Its timeless design and durable mechanics make it a true gem for those passionate about vintage vehicles. Experience the versatility and style of the 1964 Chevrolet El Camino, priced at $20,000 and located in Irvine, California. This meticulously restored classic is a testament to the innovative blend of utility and performance. Powered by a strong 327 small block engine and paired with a turbo 350 transmission, the El Camino offers smooth driving and modern comforts such as power steering, power brakes, a touchscreen stereo, and a backup camera. With its rust-free body, new tires, and comprehensive restoration documentation, this vehicle is a collector's dream. It's perfect for anyone who appreciates the fusion of practicality and timeless design. The 1978 Chevrolet C10, available for $4,000 in Atwater, California, is a solid project vehicle with great potential. While the truck's history remains largely unknown, it runs reliably with an automatic transmission, making it an accessible starting point for customization or restoration. The clean title simplifies ownership, while its classic lines and sturdy build offer endless possibilities for enthusiasts to create a unique masterpiece. Rugged and ready for adventure, the 1971 Series 5-ton truck is a powerhouse priced at $10,000 and located in Cedarridge, Colorado. This diesel-powered military vehicle, built to withstand the toughest conditions, features a manual transmission, custom tow bar, and new batteries. Its excellent tires and robust design make it ideal for off-road enthusiasts, ranchers, or heavy-duty tasks. Whether added to a collection or used as functional equipment, this M800 is a unique and versatile investment. Step back in time with the 1952 Ford F3, priced at $7,500 and located in Osseo, Minnesota. This charming vintage truck combines its original features with modern upgrades for enhanced usability. Powered by a 215 cubic inch 6-cylinder engine and a 4-speed non-synchronized transmission, it retains the authenticity of its 6-volt system while offering conveniences like a GPS speedometer and 3-point seat belts. Recent repairs and a sturdy frame make it a dependable option for collectors or enthusiasts who value both functionality and classic appeal. Unleash the potential of the 1964 Chevrolet C10, offered at $2,800. While its location remains unspecified, this vintage truck holds significant promise for restoration enthusiasts. Having been idle for many years, it features a clean title and most of its parts intact, making it an exciting project for those passionate about reviving classic vehicles. For $7,000, the 1968 Ford F-250 Ranger in Kirtland, New Mexico, offers vintage reliability with practical upgrades. Recent repairs include a rebuilt transmission, new fuel and exhaust systems, and a fresh receiver hitch, ensuring it's ready for regular use. With a solid body and rust-free sheet metal, this truck delivers on both performance and aesthetics, making it a worthwhile addition to any enthusiast's collection. Offered at $12,500, the 1976 Chevrolet C10 Silverado long bed pickup in Hockley, Texas, is a remarkable barn find. Preserving its original paint, interior, and a powerful 454 engine with a turbo 400 transmission, this vehicle blends authenticity with impressive power. Minimal rust and new exhaust components add to its appeal, although minor adjustments such as a carburetor tune-up could further optimize its performance. This Silverado is an ideal choice for collectors or restoration experts seeking a rare and authentic classic. Finally, the 1960 Ford F100, priced at $6,500 in Stroudsburg, Pennsylvania, is a vintage treasure with a fully overhauled 292 cubic inch Y-block V8 engine. Its clean frame, excellent wheels and tires, and solid interior speak to its well-preserved condition. Accompanied by a clean title, this truck exudes timeless character and offers a reliable, charming option for collectors or enthusiasts looking to own a piece of automotive history. Each of these vehicles offers a unique combination of history, craftsmanship, and potential, making them ideal for collectors, restorers, or anyone with a passion for classic cars and trucks.